We will continue to invest as we see the sector growing. India is a key growth pillar for the REA Group overall.
Since we are discussing about funding in PropTech sector, what are the plans of REA India for the next 4-5 years? Do you have any particular sectors or companies in mind which you are exciting for?
So look, Kritika, as far as REA India is concerned, we are extremely bullish on this sector, and we've been investing significant amounts of capital in our business over the last several years, and we will continue to invest as we see the sector growing and our business growing. The last 2 years have been very, very strong for us. Our platform housing.com has achieved market leadership in terms of audience growth and traffic. So if you look at SimilarWeb, which is a third-party website which talks about the leaders in terms of traffic on various platforms, you will see that since October of 2021, housing has been at the number one position in terms of traffic. So that's been a great win for us over the last within the last 24 months. Even in terms of brand recall, we as a company continued to invest in brand, to invest in product over the last 2 years, COVID notwithstanding, as a result of which we've seen our brand recall grow significantly over the last couple of years. And even in terms of revenue growth, for our financial year, which sort of ends in June, we recorded 92% growth as a company. So for us, it's been a very good 2 years in terms of business performance. And we remain very excited about the sector going forward. India is a key growth pillar for the REA Group overall, and we will continue to invest and grow in this sector.
So earlier we had discussed a lot about the PropTech sector. So in current scenario, which are the startups which you're proud of, where you think believe in time that they'll be pushing the boundaries?
I think, look, PropTech is seeing a lot of innovation, especially in recent times. There are some startups which have come up in the home buying and selling space, where they actually guarantee the homeowner the ability for them to sell their homes within a fixed period of time at a certain agreed price. That I think is a huge problem which homeowners have when they want to sell their home within a given time frame and not able to do so. Some of these startups are catering to that. So I think that's a great model, yet to be proven, but I think something very exciting. The other piece is around fractional ownership of real estate.
Yeah.
Real estate, as we know, is an expensive asset class. And sometimes people just can't afford to get onto the ladder, as they say, of investing in real estate because the ticket sizes are too large. But these fractional ownership companies are allowing consumers now, or potential real estate investors, to actually invest in real estate as an asset class in small bite-sized chunks, which I think is a great innovation as well. And then we are obviously seeing a lot of work happening in services again around the home buying journey. We discussed PropDial as one example of that. So there are many others providing services around the home buying and home renting journey. So I think as an ecosystem, digital real estate is growing, especially post-COVID, and we will see a lot of innovative models over the next couple of years, which I think will make this space something to watch for in times to come.